How to insert signature in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Word document. To insert a signature, go to Picture. Go to Insert tab and click on Picture to insert a picture in your document. Simply navigate to your folder. Choose the signature which you want to include. After that, simply manage the size of the signature. Go to Crop option at the top right corner and you can simply crop out the exact signature you want in your MS Doc. After that, click on Crop and there you can see your signature is ready. Now, you simply need to remove its background. You can see the option at the top left corner. Simply click on it and click on Mark Area to keep. After that, you can see now the signature has no background and it has only kept the area of signature. Go to Insert and go to Signature line so that you can include label under this signature. Fill this field and then click on OK. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to insert signature in MS Word doc. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.